soap scum to hard water stains, limescale mould and mildew, your bathroom can quickly become a pretty grimy place. Today we're showing you how to clean your shower and bath properly, from glass and doors to the bathtub and fittings. Everything will look fresh, clean and streak-free with minimal effort. My name's Laura and I'm from Expert Home Tips, the first place you should turn to if you want to learn about DIY, home management and more. Before we dive into today's tutorial, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out on the latest life hacks. We also have a free email newsletter packed with the newest cleaning tips. There's a link to sign up in the description box below. Let's get into it. Remove everything before you start cleaning. Never clean your shower without doing this first. Take everything out of the shower or bath area before you begin. Move bottles, razors, loofahs and organisers out of the way so every surface is fully accessible. This also helps you reach areas where grime builds up unnoticed. Once everything is cleared, cleaning becomes quicker and more effective. Use steam to loosen built-up grime. Want to cut scrubbing time in half? Run a hot shower for a few minutes before you start cleaning. The steam helps soften soap scum and loosen limescale, making it come away more easily. It also helps break down accumulated dirt over time. This step reduces the amount of scrubbing needed later. Rinse surfaces before applying cleaner. Rinse all surfaces with warm water before you start scrubbing. This removes loose hair, dust and surface grime, so your sponge works on the build-up rather than spreading bits of dirt around. Always rinse from top to bottom so everything clears away properly. Make sure the room is well ventilated. Open a window or turn on the extractor fan before you start cleaning. Good airflow helps reduce moisture in the room and makes the space safer to work in. It also helps surfaces dry faster once you're finished. Apply cleaner and let it sit. If you scrub straight away, you're wasting time. Spray your chosen cleaner across all surfaces, including glass, tiles, bath and fittings. A simple mix of water, white vinegar and washing up liquid works well, or you could use a standard bathroom cleaner. Leave it on the surface for around 5 to 10 minutes so it can break down soap scum, limescale and hard water stains. Do not let it dry before you start scrubbing. While the cleaner is doing its magic, this is a great time to check out something fun we do every month. We run exclusive competitions on our website with some fantastic prizes. It only takes a second to enter and you might be one of our lucky winners. We'll leave a link below. Scrub all surfaces thoroughly. Use a non-scratch sponge or soft cloth to clean all areas. Focus on shower glass, bath edges, tiles and taps where build-up is usually heaviest. A bit more pressure may be needed to remove stubborn limescale, especially around corners and in grout lines. Work across the space in sections so nothing gets missed. Next, let's focus on the grout lines. Dirty grout ruining your bathroom? Let's freshen it up. Apply a cream cleaner to a grout brush, or if you don't have one, an old toothbrush, and scrub along the lines using firm strokes. You'll see the dirt and mould lifting in no time. For tougher spots, go over them again with a bit more pressure. Rinse with clean water and wipe away any residue with a damp cloth. Rinse everything clean. Think you finished cleaning? Not yet. Always rinse surfaces thoroughly with clean water. This removes leftover product and loosened dirt. Any residue left behind can dry into streaks or marks, especially on glass and tiles. Take your time with this step for a cleaner finish. Clean shower glass and doors properly. Want crystal clear shower glass every time? Use a squeegee or dry microfiber cloth to remove all water from the surface. This helps prevent watermarks, limescale and cloudiness from building up again quickly. Pay attention to the edges where water tends to collect. Clean the bath area. You're probably missing this spot when cleaning. Wipe down the inside of the bath, focusing on the rim and corners. Soap residue and shampoo build-up often collect in these areas and can be easy to miss during a quick clean. A thorough wipe here makes the whole room feel fresher. Remove stubborn mould. If you still have stubborn mould on your bathroom silicone, try this trick. Rubber gloves are essential here. Carefully saturate cotton wool with thick bleach and press it directly onto the mouldy areas, ensuring everything is fully covered. You may need several pieces of cotton. We like to roll it into strips to help it stick to the silicone line. Leave it for a few hours or overnight for tougher spots. Then, with your gloves back on, peel it off and rinse the area thoroughly. After a few days, spray the area with white vinegar to prevent the mould from returning. Restore shine to taps and fittings. Want your taps to look brand new? Rub chrome taps and fittings with half a lemon to remove limescale and restore shine. Rinse afterwards and buff dry with a clean cloth for a polished finish. This step helps brighten the bathroom's overall look. Descale the shower head. If water pressure is low or uneven, limescale is often the cause. Fill a bag with white vinegar and secure it around the shower head. Leave it to soak for a few hours or overnight, then remove and rinse thoroughly. Dry everything for a streak-free finish. Use 2 microfiber cloths to finish the job. The first removes excess water from surfaces, the second buff dries everything out for a clean finish. This helps prevent water spots, streaks and hard water stains from forming again. Finally, here's how to keep your bathroom cleaner for longer. Use a squeegee after every shower, wipe down glass and tiles after use to reduce limescale and watermarks. Keep air moving in the bathroom. Use a fan or open a window to reduce moisture and prevent mould buildup. Quick clean each week. Regular small cleans help prevent heavy buildup of soap, scum and limescale. Reduce clutter in the shower area. Fewer items means fewer places for grime and water to collect. Try this routine for a week and then come back and tell us if it helped. And there you have it, a simple way to clean your bathroom properly, remove limescale and keep your shower, glass and bath looking fresh and streak-free. If you tried this routine, drop us a comment and let us know how it went. We'd also love to hear any of your own shower cleaning tricks. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more expert home tips. For more guides and everyday cleaning advice, head over to experthometips.com. Thanks for watching and we'll see you next time for more expert home tips.